How to fix DirectX encountered an unrecoverable error.
First, close your launcher. Open a folder. Go to Documents. Open your Call of Duty folder. Delete your Players folder. Now launch your game. If that didn't work, first open your Battle.net launcher. Click on Options. Click on Game Settings. Select Additional Command Line Arguments. Type -D3D11. Press Done. Now launch your game. If that didn't work, first select your game. Now click on Options. Click on Show in Explorer. Open your Call of Duty Modern Warfare folder. Delete all the files inside this folder except the other folders. Close the folder. Click on Options. Click on Scan and Repair. Click on Begin Scan. Now wait for your launcher to repair your game. Now launch your game. If that didn't work, first open your Start menu and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your display adapter. Select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver software. Wait for the update to be installed. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now click on Check for updates. First, Google GeForce Experience. Click on GeForce Experience. Press Download now. Save the file. Run the file. Press Yes. Now install the program.